Musu demands unconditional release of arrested teachers and students of Manipur University in 2 days. Says not ready for any dialogues until the release. Manipur gears up to host first ever Northeast Olympic Games October last week at Kumanlampak Sports Complex. Over 2,000 players from Northeast participating in the games. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Students of Manipur University expressed disappointment at security forces meddling their ongoing protests mid-stage in a peaceful manner, despite assurances given by the Chief Minister to retreat security forces from the university campus. Musu President M. Diamond drew the attention of the government and asserted that Musu will never agree to hold any talks with the government until and unless the arrested students and teachers are released without any conditions. The student union warned of intensifying their agitations if the government does not release them within 2 to 3 days. As a part of the ongoing agitations in demand for unconditional release of the arrested teachers and students of Manipur University and to resolve Manipur University crisis, students of the chemistry and the statistics departments staged sit-ins at their respective department complexes today. Speaking to media, the protesting students expressed disappointment that police forces forbade them from staging the sit-in after 1 p.m. Meanwhile, students of schools nearby Manipur University took out human chain protests, chanting various slogans. Police rushed at the spot and drove back the students to their schools.
Makoi myam mathak to pali ba FIR aduga tongan ba leiruba akhoi gi mairoi myam sigi mathak to leiba sungba FIR se unconditional handok ta bataraga di akhoi wari sana ba sungdok toroi Manipur Minister hojik leiri film sta normal se hanjalan ge ha bataraga di akhoi gi hanagi pre 20th September status to situation do aduda thamu matam da khakta da Manipur University da normal se lakani akhoi gi senior journalist myam khakna akhoi gi initiative se lobi dana FIR da yauri myam se akhoi se unconditional release tawna ba loina na akhoi gi FIR se handokna na ba yam kanna akhoi gi initiative lobi dana tawri Chief Minister gi side ta gi di akhoi normal si halakna ba gi mai kai yam na kanna sangchali na akhoi sin da hai ba aduga hojik leiri development se ke su peningai oide kai gumba hari ba pot asina sum kha ta dana ngsi nongni ni sida any concrete over development ama laktaba natraga FIR se handok ta taraga di support to vi tongan students union adu CSO clubs mera pai bi mayam sig loina kan da dum khata ba khong khoi sangsin ba dum sem chari
jindaram ba ngang ba media da phongdok pa thabak song to bi da ba exam bi thaning le khoi chat ka da ba trade khoi gi ma'am leire hoji dum pending leire khoi topam chapong khang da leire khoi da ngasi phamjari ba khoi dana se chu yamna ingna sing khoi hingsa to phamjam nate masida police la amaga dana je phamba yaroi kholoina thingame police na khoi je kuitan taning bai wakhlon hai tare ko masi dum phongdok pirami masi democratic oi ba khongjang changsin bi sogja sign tawro taragadi akhoi karam khongjang no ba khoin changsin da ju
Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR Haisnam Balkrishna has stressed the need for contributing in the developmental race of Manipur in the ever-changing world through one's hard work, dedication and punctuality. The director was speaking at the inaugural function of Radiant Group's event management company called Grihan and offices of a computerized numerical control CNC and Radiant Real Estate at Sangai Pro Ningthem Call today. Haishnam Balkrishna maintains that South Asian countries, mainly Thailand, Korea, Japan and China, are developed because of hard work, dedication and cooperation by its citizens. He lamented that developmental activities are being hindered in a small state like Manipur due to conducts of some self-centric individuals devaluing time. He asserted that Manipur will be more developed if people extend cooperation and support to works initiated by one another. The director also stressed the need for government to extend supports in this regard.
We Manipur city landlocked oibanara natraga ekoi da matik sabar right amount of entrepreneurship skill do like tabanina ekoi am competitive oiba wakhalon je khanbe am wali chumna dang khara phangnaga hingaga Penthoga, Noitoki Wakalam, the Sumlay, China, Japan, already developed over the vaccine. Moisi, Motokan, the computer, Habigi, Wakalunda, Madukan Bahar, moi youth sing jida hena empower tawrakanda sumba entrepreneurship skill then vision ama laigadabni dream am laigadabni madu fulfill tawgadabni haina leptan honorapodagini hoji South Korea na yamna tenba matamda chapot kris.
A state-level photography competition was held as a part of the 63rd Wildlife Week celebration at Nupi Lal Complex today. Principal Chief Conservator IFS Keriel Holvi Angami has stated that essay writing, debating and painting competitions will be conducted to raise awareness on the significance of wildlife and its protection in connection with the week-long celebration. Various pictures of wild birds and animals indigenous to the state were exhibited during the event held on the theme Birds and Butterflies of Manipur. Speaking to media, Keriel Holvi Angami asserted that it would be prudent to defend animal rights much like human rights. He maintains that humans need wildlife for a balanced ecosystem to survive. He asserted that the Forest Department has been undertaking various projects, including conduction of awareness programs with an aim to safeguard wildlife. He urged to the hilly inhabitants not to kill wild birds and animals by attributing the act as traditional practice. He also expressed apprehension at the declining number of wildlife due to its exploitation for money by humans. The Principal Chief Conservator maintains that the department aims to educate youth on wildlife and its importance.
People in the rural area should know the importance of wildlife. That is one. Another aspect that we are dealing with is, of late, there are hunters who hunt for commercial purposes. If you go to the hills, they will say hunting is our traditional right. But I'm also from the hills. Forefathers in the past have never hunted to sell meat in the market. They hunted for their food only. So today there has been certain misconception among the younger generation and hunters that they can kill as much wild animal as they want, bring to the market and sell, which is something which we need to address, and we are addressing also. We have programmed to talk with these commercial hunters or professional hunters. That is also one of the issues that we need to address. But overall, poaching is something which we cannot stop completely also. But at the same time, we are putting all our efforts.
Winners of quiz, painting and debating competitions held in connection with the 63rd Wildlife Week in Bishnupur district were felicitated today. Bishnupur Forest Division organized the competition on the theme Celebrate the Rights of Wildlife, sponsored by Tobul Youth Club and Global Science Club on October 1. Amidst the Wildlife Week celebration, on the other hand, a joint team of forest officials and Yaripok Police under the supervision of Divisional Forest Officer of Thobal Forest Division and Ganesh apprehended 6 individuals involved in illegal timber dealings at Yaripok Khoirom under Guarok Reserve Forest in Thobal district today. The team also seized a JCB loaded with illegal timber. The arrested persons are identified as Ngangbam Dhanashyam from Senjam Kunau, Haubam Basanta and Hidang Mayum Krishna Chandra from Khoirom Mayai Lekai, P. Ramsang from Makan village in Kamjong, CH Mathil from Lamlon Kulen in Tengnopal, and Moirangthem Dilip from Yaripok Kekru Makhalekai. They were found wiping out a portion of a hillock by illegally setting up a sawmill without necessary approval from the government. Thobal Court imposed 15-day judicial remand upon the miscreants this afternoon. Manipur's first direct IAS officer, IAS retired P.U. K. Kipgen, passed away last night around 10:45 in New Delhi. His mortal remains arrived in Imphal today. K. Kipgen is survived by his wife, 1 son, 1 daughter and 5 grandchildren. His last rites will be performed at his hometown, Haipi village in Kangpokpi district tomorrow. Irrawadh Celebration Committee Kumbi Local Council observed the 122nd birth anniversary of Jananeta Irrawadh at its office in Kumbi Market today. President of Irrawadh Celebration Committee State Council Dr. M. Nara, State Secretary of CPI Manipur Council L. Sotin Kumar and many comrades took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. M. Nara alleged the central government of trying to convert all Indians into Hindus and termed it as unfortunate. He urged everyone to revere Irawat for all his sacrifices and contributions for the welfare of the society.
भारत धर्म मतगी लोन मतगी जाति मतगी लेपाक सेमगनेना लाउखलैबा हिंदू की धर्म दंगामथना लाकपा मदुना मरम ओरगा रायोट कयाम ngasiदी नरेंद्र मोदी ने शासन पाइरकपा सही मरी हेलकपसिदा रायोट सि चात्रेक की मथक थोखरबने हिंदू धर्मना पृथ्वी में ख्वाइदी सेंग हिंदू निगा या धर्म से कम्युनल होइबा टेंडेंसी मद लाइबसिना ngasiदी इराबोना सोलसिंग चांपन कुंथ्रा निपांदा लौखिब वारे निखिल हिंदू मणिपुर महासभादगी हिंदू लौथोकपैसिगा ngasi ओइरेबा राजनीति की यावन कयादा रिलेवेंस लेग्रबनो मणिपुर दा आइन सभा लिंगदबनी से अहम वारेबनीने मणिपुर की ngasi की असेंबली सिदी इराबोट की दाबीनीने खुंगंग पुनमक्ता पाठशाला मीन्स स्कूल लिंखटपा खुंगंग पुनमक्ता लायेंसंग लिंखटपा प्रजान खंजब मिहुतना सासोन तौबा ऐसे मकुबोंग निंथौगी मायोक्ता होरेबनी
State's Department of Labor, Handloom and Textile distributed 50 sewing machines and 2,000 weaver carts in Thongju constituency today. The event was held at the residence of Works Minister Thongam Biswajit in Ningom Thong Bazaar. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Biswajit asserted that the present government is ensuring all benefits under the Labor Departments to the public, which the previous government failed to do so. He maintained that the present government is sincere and executes works with transparency. Labour Welfare Board's Chairman Haikam Dingo, Director of Handloom and Textile K. Lamli Kamai attended the event.
प्रधान लो अदु साबिगदबनी एमएलए अदु साबिगदबनी मिनिस्टर अदु साबिगदने लेरगदी अखोई मसेन के मरक्ता कॉन्फ्लिक्ट थोए हार कांदा अमुक पा ओइररोएबा फोटो अदु हायें करी आइनी आ मिनिस्टर ने केम तोबिरमदे प्रधान ने केम तोबिरमदे जेडबी ने केम तोबिरमदे अदुमायना तोबदी यारोएबा अदुगे ब्लेम गेम ने कानारोएबा इछा इछादा सोहोगनेबा थुबो नोम कनबा हाबसे सिकतना अखोगी पंथोबम यावगदबनी करियमतना याव ngमोय आइने इंखलसु ngमोय आइने सेन फना पिरसु ngमोय आइने चिंग पुरसु यारोएबा इसाना होनबा कनबसे
The Directorate of Sericulture, Government of Manipur is organizing a 3-day Silk Expo cum workshop on Silk Samagra from October 9 to promote silks and silk productions of the state. The expo will be held at Project Management Complex of the Directorate of Sericulture, Sangaipat, under the aegis of the Ministry of Textiles, Government of India and Central Silk Board. Speaking to media in this regard today, Sericulture Director S. Kunjakishore intimated that around 1,000 officials led by Union Minister Smriti Irani and Chief Minister N. Biren will attend the expo. He also disclosed that altogether 60 stalls will be opened during the fair to make available various silk attires and other items considering the upcoming Ningol Chakoba. Kunjakishore said the expo will provide a platform for both the buyers and the sellers. Workshops will also be held where scientists will discourse on how to enhance silk productions in the state during the expo.
मरुना अखोना सिंजरीसिदी अखोगी मणिपुर पुथोक्चरीब सिल्क से प्रमोट तौबा हाइतारे असिगी प्रमोट कमाई तौगदगी मयामदा अखोगी पाक्सना खंगलगा लाकदोइब अखोगी सिल्क समरगजे जो अनोबस की मयाम अमा कोई पाइखलगा हेना अखोगी मणिपुर की सिल्क की प्रोडक्शन जी हेंकनबगी मरुइबा अंदुम थिमदुदने कोइन तौजैसी मणिपुर दा लेबिरिबा प्रजा सिंह अदगी मरुना अखोई निगोन चाकोब नक्सलामनिना अखोगी नुमित हुमनी पांगथोकजगदबा तांग 9 10 13 अक्टोबर की समयाम लाकपिरगा Silk Expo si mapung phanbi oina mayamda aina appeal tawjari.
A joint team of Thobal Commando and 26 Assam Rifles apprehended an active member of proscribed outfit Pripak from Kongbao Chekon Lai Muriba around 3:30 p.m. yesterday. The person identified as Ningombam Ibohal, 38 years, son of N. Deben from Kongman Zone 2, was caught in possession of incriminating items used in making bombs concealed in 6 different containers. A Honda Activa and 2 mobile phones were also seized from him. Upon further investigation, 2 more sympathizers of Pripak, identified as Wanglembam Mani Mukta, alias Mani, 54 years, son of late Narahari from Kongbao Chekon Lai Muriba, and Muhammad Sanayai, alias Warish, 38 years, son of late Babu from Kwakta Tingelekai, were arrested. These 2 culprits helped in transporting the materials from More towards Imphal. Proscribed outfit United People's Revolutionary Front of Manipur UPRFM in a press release has claimed the responsibility for planting the bomb at a restaurant called Hotel Cafe along Tidim Road in Kodompokpi Lamkhai under Nambol police station on October 2. It stated that the bomb was planted as a last warning to all restaurateurs running business by devaluing moral values. The outfit also mentioned that warning bombs and bullets were planted at different restaurants since April this year. UPRFM warned of stern actions against those ignoring the warning. The proscribed outfit also warned of actions to informers trading details about the outfit to its opponents. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on an awareness program on transgender community held in Kakching today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, LGBTQ community Kakching organized an awareness program on transgender community in Kakching today. LGBTQ Community Kakching organized the event, which is first of its kind in collaboration with Empowering Trans Ability ITA, All Manipur Nupi Manbi Association Amana, and Solidarity and Action Against the Infection in India Sathi at Kakching Yumbi Macha High School. MLA Wabugai, Muhammad Fazur Rahim, SP Kakching Victoria, and many individuals of the LGBTQ community coming from various parts of the state attended the event. Speakers in the event highlighted on the Supreme Court's decision to scrap Article 377 of the Indian Constitution. They also called for equal treatment of all the communities for an equal development.
Circumstances na akoibu thambiramba phibam asida thambirame haiduna su aina yadaba thabak singdi toba yadabanina masi khangaga chatminagadabani aduga police singna su sensitive oidrena su khanbiganu maramdi akoi punamak society asida hominarapa ngatani aduga leiramiba phibamdagi change torakpasi hidamdi tapna changani adubu sensitize yam toina tauraga awareness program toina tauraga akoi loinamak singkanminakani khali.
A two-day literary and cultural meet kicked off at Puba Government High School in Senapati district today. Additional District Magistrate K.H. Lalmani launched a meet held on the theme Harmony with Cultural Diffusion. Competitions on various events like folk song singing, horn blowing, choreography, solos, public speaking, folktale narration, etc. will be held during the meet. President of Paumai Naga Union El Soloni, students and people in the district attended the opening day of the meet today. Fancier Higher Secondary School Thaubal Wangmata has concluded its week-long Fancier Week today. Excellent students and teachers of the school were felicitated on the occasion. BSF 54 Battalion, under the aegis of the Headquarters Border Security Force Korengge, organized a free medical camp at Veterinary Ground Pioneer Club, Wangjing Haudamba, Maninglekai, under CI Post Wangjing today. Medical officers and supporting staffs of BSF 54 Battalion and Wangjing PHC checked up around 100 people from Wangjing Gram Panchayat area, and free medicines were also distributed at the camp. Commandant of BSF 54 Battalion Sunil Kumar Singh also distributed sewing machines and sports items to Wangjing Public Lower Primary School and local clubs in Wangjing Tekcham Lekai. Pradhan and residents of the area appreciated BSF for the efforts undertaken. Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit and Jiribam District Police jointly carried out Swachh Bharat Mission Cleanliness Drive at Jiribam District Hospital in Ningshinkhul today. The hospital was cleaned up and 3 saplings were also planted on the occasion. Later, 3 saplings were also planted at SP Jiribam office. Shiv Sena leaders, SP Jiribam Police and many people in the area took part in the drive. Senior journalist of Pognafam Daily, Sonia Soren Sangbam, is attending the international workshop on social media and media to be held at Hotel Lalit in New Delhi tomorrow. High Commission of Canada and Pivotals is organizing the workshop, and journalists from Pakistan, Afghanistan, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Bhutan and Nepal will be taking part in the workshop. It may be recalled that Sonia had earlier participated in a digital media training program in Sri Lanka. The training program on mushroom cultivation, spawn making, vermicompost and food processing, which was launched on October 2, will continue from October 9 due to band. Further details may be obtained from Rama Foundation, Nagamapal Rims Road, the organizer of the training program. The Garden Care Service Provider organized training programs for farmers' interest groups under the aegis of Mission Organic Value Chain Development Northeastern Region Agriculture in Imphal East District today. Resource persons stressed on the need to strengthen farmers' interest groups and promoted organic farming during the training programs held at Ishika and Tankham. Now the sports news. Manipur will home the first ever Northeast Olympic Games from 24 to 28 this month. More than 2,000 players, including women players from 8 Northeast states, namely Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura, will compete in an altogether 12 different sports events. There will be 24 categories in athletics, 12 in archery, 16 in boxing, 7 in badminton, 2 in football, 10 in judo, 10 in karate, 8 in shooting, 8 in taekwondo, 7 in table tennis, 32 in wushu and 16 in weightlifting. Awards include Team Champion, Runners-up for all the events, as well as Overall Team Champion and Runners-up of the Games. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham is the organizing chairman, Sunil Ilangbam is the organizing secretary, and Dr. G.A. Ipopishak is the chairman of Games Technical Conduct. Organizing secretary Sunil Ilangbam has urged everyone to support the Games by not calling any bunt or blockade.
First Northeast Olympic Games, and first Northeast Olympic Games under the aegis of Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association ki ayaba ko loina na akoina khanjari basi participation certificate Indian Olympic Association acknowledge to bi bai tai. Indian Olympic Association acknowledge to ga masida yawa sport discipline ki qualification magi point marking rank marking paramani eligibility for national qualification. Masiju kitang mo record to wina bana adui pandam da koi kumna di khnajabani magi lejari sport discipline ki technical rules madu mayam my national federation gi my sport discipline du gi chap chaba akoi Northeast ta lejaba official sing machine loinamak accommodate torga ngamagana ngame otherwise national federation dagi tangai fadaba darkar level lagasu highway pandam da masigi mega sports event si akoi Indian Olympic Association sakhambi bai betai.
Four quarter-final matches of the 17th state-level mini boys volleyball tournament 2018-19 were played today. In the quarter-final matches, NYVA Naurem thrashed MIKHYAB Mayang Imphal 3-0. KYSU Khairem Bikok beat AMYC Andhra 3-1. TRYVC Ukrul thrashed IGO Oinam 3-0 and YMDO Herangweithong defeated SDC Samuro 3-2. The tournament, hosted by Khairem Bikok Youth Sporting Union KYSU, is organized by All Manipur Volleyball Association AMVA at Khairem Bikok Mayai Lekai Community Hall in Thaubal District since October 1. NYVA Naurem will meet KYSU Khairem Bikok in the morning, while TRYVC Ukrul will face YMDO Herangweithong in the afternoon on the 5th day of the tournament tomorrow. Government of Madhya Pradesh's highest annual sports award, presented by the state's Sports and Youth Welfare Department, were conferred upon eminent sports persons and 29 coaches, including 2 Manipuris today. Manipuri cycling coach Mutum Ibomcha Elias Kali was conferred upon Bishwamitra Award 2018, and cyclist Naurem Anita was presented the Eklavya Award 2018 during the award presentation ceremony held at TT Nagar Stadium in Bhopal. Mutum Ibomcha is the son of late Mutum Ningthem from Kairao Bitra Mayai Lekai in Imphal East. He has been serving as as a NIC cycling coach under the Department of Sports and Youth Welfare, Madhya Pradesh, for over 5 years now, and has so far produced 7 international cyclists and 48 national cyclists. He was named the best coach and honored with the Bishwa Mitra Award 2018. While Eklavya Awards 2018 awardee Naurem Anita is the daughter of Naurem Inaucha and Naurem Ongbi Sandhyarani from Patsoi Part 2 in Imphal West. She represented Madhya Pradesh under the supervision of cycling coach Ibomcha Elias Kali and bagged many medals. A 15-day football coaching program of Max Sports Academy Manipur kicked off on Kumalampak artificial turf ground today. AFC B license H. Imo and AFC C license N. Uttam will train 18 boy footballers during the coaching program. President of All Manipur Football Association S. Sanatomba, advisor of Max Sports Academy R. Dominic Ahau, President of the Academy John Zimic, and executive members of AMFA attended the opening day of the coaching program today. Max Sports Academy, established in 2016 at Ngashangtang in Ukhrul district, aims to produce footballers eligible for international events. The academy had earlier organized a 15-day camp for 134 footballers trained by London-based football coach Luke at Champhai District Artificial Ground in Mizoram. Speaking to media, President of Max Sports Academy Manipur, John Zimic, stated that 10 footballers of the academy played for various football clubs of the country this year. He said that the academy aims to produce even better footballers in the future.
Today, we are giving training again for our selected players by our eminent coach from Manipur. So they will be training, intensive course of training here for 20 days, and we'll have friendly match with other I-League team also. Our mission is to make them a better player.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Musu demands unconditional release of arrested teachers and students of Manipur University in 2 days. Says not ready for any dialogues until the release. And as Manipur gears up to host first ever Northeast Olympic Games October last week at Kumalampak Sports Complex. Over 2,000 players from Northeast participating in the Games.